The 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan steps out with a new shape and a new size that won't be instantly recognizable to past Volkswagen crossover owners. The new Tiguan eschews the former model's rounded approach for sharper, chiseled edges and a more intimidating nose. It's a contemporary look, albeit not very daring. We give the new version a 6 out of 10 on our styling scale for a better-than-average look outside, but a mostly straightforward look inside. Read more about how we rate cars. The Tiguan manages to get right what other automakers have largely forgotten in crossovers: the rear end. The Volkswagen Tiguan is sharp coming or going, and more rear glass, and the Tiguan's liftgate has suppressed a rising window line that has given other crossovers a visual wedgie. Up front, the Tiguan copy-pastes the horizontal grille, bumpers, and lower fascia from the Atlas. Subtle creases in the hood are the only stylistic touches to the Tiguan, and even those aren't particularly blatant, they just stand out in comparison to the rest of the crossover. In profile, the Tiguan isn't as chunky or masculine or the Atlas, and the Tiguan doesn't use blockier wheel arches to strike a tougher pose. A relatively low window line and wide rear doors bode well for entry, exit, and visibility, but swim upstream from the current crossover trend of high-waisted cabins.